The main thing is the programming of the control. We're using something a lot closer to what we do on our milling machines. So if you know rotary programming on a mill, you'll recognise very quickly how this works, and it gives you the opportunity with the C-axis capability to mill off centre, to do off centre pitch circle diameter holes, things like that. So basic milling operations in addition to your normal turning.
Now, what's different about the Axia 70? Well, it's a travelling column machine. And the Axia represents a pure box-in-box concept, which what I can tell you and illustrate to you very quickly, but you probably need to talk to DTS in more detail about this, as they're the suppliers of these courier machines in the UK, is that you've got far more stability and grip almost around the axis within the machine to make sure that it provides a better environment for heavier machining, reduces vibration. I'll point out a few areas where I think that this machine and how this machine delivers outstanding results. The first of which would be on the y-axis you've got 4 box guideways which are supporting the travel of the machine. Now, what does this mean? Well, it means of course, if you've got 4 guideways as opposed to 2, it's a much more secure axis movement. Vibration will be dampened out in the machining process. The machines are very heavy. I mean, just to give you an example, even on a meter machine, you're still talking around about 7 tons of weight. So they're big C-frame construction machines. How can Hypermill software help people get more out of their machine tool?
With Hypermill, you can see everything that you're doing. So if you're already programming at the machine conversationally, and you think maybe you're already on the limit of what you can achieve, really you should be looking what a CAM system, what Hypermill can do for you.
So with Matsura, they're after that 99% of time that spindle is running. Do you feel that the machine is as efficient here at A&G for you?
Yes, definitely. Like I said, on the weekends we don't have an operator here. We have split shift, so I'll come in on a Saturday and run it. It'll take me half an hour. Another operator will come in on a Sunday and do the same. And it's running all weekend.
And how's your setup? I can see some tombstones here. So what's the type of work you're putting on there?
We can vary. We've got 1 pallet at the moment that we can do vice work. We've got tombstones for bigger billets, and we've also got the rest of them are cubes. So each 4 sides, any size billet really.
MSC Industrial Supply Code. It's not just about your consumables such as your tooling, your cooling, it's a lot more. You've got your vending machines, you can order up to 120,000 different products, but it's about relationships as well. Let's find out more at Pycross Precision Engineering.
Today we're at a Pre-Management Limited. Now, this is a training centre that recently took delivery of 6 brand new Colchester lathes.
I'm here at Future Design and Engineering, and they have recently made some significant investments to drive their business forward. We're here at SJ Dimmock Engineering Limited, who are mould tool makers, and their Joe Mars machines play a crucial part in making their business a success.